everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Congress visit complete 1 month. On the 34th day, workers gather with Rahul. Ukraine has recaptured around 2,500 kilometers of land from Russian control, says Volodymyr Zelensky. Orange alert of heavy rain for the next 24 hours. Snowfall on the high peak of Badrinath and Hemkund. Team India's best record on Australian ground in T20, won 7 matches out of 12. Now news in detail. 1 month has been completed for the Bharat Jodo Yatra of the Congress Party. This yatra, which started from Kanyakumari on September 7, has reached its 34th day. On Saturday, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi started his yatra from Mayasundra in Tumakuru, Karnataka. During this, a crowd of hundreds of workers appeared with him. Let us tell you, earlier on Friday, Indra Lankesh and Kavita Lankesh has also participated in the Bharat Jodo Yatra. The two women are the mother and sister of journalist and social activist Gauri Lankesh, was murdered in 2017. A painful incident has come to light from Nashik, Maharashtra. After hitting the container here, a bus caught fire in which 11 people died due to scorching. The dead included 10 adults and a child. The accident happened on the Nashik-Aurangabad road in this bus going towards Pune. The accident has been confirmed by the Nashik police. Nashik police said that the bodies and injured people have been taken to the hospital. Now international news. This week alone, our soldier liberated 776 square kilometers of territory in the east of our country and 29 settlements, including 6 in Lugansk region, Zelensky said. In total, 2,434 square kilometers of our land and 96 settlements have already been liberated since the beginning of this offensive operation. In the recent past, Russia has officially annexed the region of Donetsk, Luhansk, Kherson, and Zaporizhia after referendums which were considered to be sham by the Western countries. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. There is a possibility of heavy rain in the next 24 hours in Kumaon and Gadwal region of Uttarakhand. The Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert for Kumaon and yellow alert for Gadwal. Director of Meteorological Center Vikram Singh says that at present, due to moist winds coming from Bay of Bengal in Kumaon and Gadwal areas, a low air pressure area is formed. At the same time, due to the active western disturbance, there is a possibility of heavy to heavy rain in the next 24 in some areas of Kumaon and its adjoining Gadwal, while there is a possibility of heavy rain in some areas of Gadwal region. In the next slide, the colored rope helped the search team to find the climber buried in the avalanche. When the helicopter took off over the track, colorful ropes of climber were visible on the white snow. The rope was visible for a long distance after about 1.5 days of hard work. The joint search team reached there and manually started searching for the dead bodies. It is taking time to rescue those who are trapped in deep crevices. Along with this, the weather is also creating problems. We'll be back after a short break.
हमारा इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. The 84th season of the India Road Congress IRC will be held from October 8-11 at the Indira Gandhi Pratishthan in the capital. More than 1,500 delegates from across the world will participate in the event to be hosted by the UP after 11 years. Union Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will inaugurate at 4 p.m. on Saturday. Union Minister of State General VK Singh will also be present. ISRO is slowly leaving behind the world space agency Agency in Space Research. Now, Chandrayaan-2 of the Indian Space Research Organization has got a big success in space research. Chandrayaan-2 has detected large amount of sodium for the first time on the lunar surface. This success has also raised hope of finding the amount of sodium on the moon. ISRO has said in its statement that the X-ray spectrometer class on the Chandrayaan-2 orbiter has mapped the abundant sodium on the moon for the first time. Raj Thakre's party Maharashtra Navnirman Sena MNS has come out openly in support of the ongoing controversy over the film Adipurush. The party has said that it will not be tolerate BJP's Gondism. MNS leader Amit Khopkar asked BJP leader Ram Khadan if he had ever seen Ravan. MNS has given its opinion in favor of Adipurush, directed by Om Rod. Controversy has erupted regarding the recently released teaser of this film. The BJP has warned that the film will not allow to release. Now sports news. Team India led by Rohit Sharma has landed on Australia's soil for the T20 World Cup campaign started from October 16. The Indian team also participated in a practice season on Friday at WACA ground in Perth. India will play their first match in this tournament against arch rivals Pakistan at the prestigious Melbourne Cricket Ground on 23 October. India like to play in Australia in T20. Team India's best record on Australian ground in this format of cricket will definitely give it an added advantage in the World Cup. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.